Welcome back to the channel. The 882, I just fired it. We're going to fire it again. Didn't trust the wiring harness on it, so we're going to do everything manually. We're going to excite the glow plugs for a minute. While them are cycling real quick, we're going to hook up the fuel pump. You're going to hear that pulse. And we're going to fire it. Here's my key switch. Don't want to let it run very long without a radiator on it. The radiator has a couple bad spots in it. Didn't trust the wiring harness in this machine. Not sure if I'm going to throw a harness in it or just part this machine out. Had to take the injectors out twice to get them sealed. I believe I have them in pretty good shape. The glow plugs and everything work on it. It only has like 700 hours on this machine. Unhooked the transmission, and I did take the electric clutch off. I thought it was a little bit set up, but the starter and everything seems to be in okay shape. So I appreciate you following. Not sure if I'm going to, for the time being, just put this in the storage shed, and this winter I'm going to get to it. But who knows? I appreciate you following me, like I was saying. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. This machine here had snakes when I looked at it this summer all around them injectors. This machine's been sitting for quite some time. The battery in it, I believe, was a 2015, so it's at least been sitting for 9 years without running. So I appreciate it, and we'll definitely see you on the next video.